Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Phonepe and confirming you're on the right account. This matters because auto payments tie to a specific profile. Once done, tap your profile photo, then Settings, go directly to Saved Payments or Auto Pay. You need to locate the merchant or UPI mandate you want to cancel. Make sure the last 4 digits or the UPI ID match what you expect. This avoids stopping the wrong recurring charge. Keep your phone unlocked and a stable network. Then proceed to select. Now you'll see a list of mandates. Tap the merchant entry to open full details. You're looking for frequency, next due date, and the linked payment instrument. This explains when and how much will be charged. Once you verify it's the correct mandate, scroll to find cancel or revoke. Phonepe labels may vary slightly, so read the screen. Tap cancel and you'll usually get a confirmation prompt. Read it. If asked, authorize with UPI PIN or biometric to finalize the cancellation. Finish by confirming the cancellation when Phonepe asks. Save any confirmation ID or take a screenshot for records. Once canceled, make sure to check upcoming transactions and your bank or UPI app within 24 hours to confirm no further charges are pending. If the mandate still shows active, log out, clear Phonepe cache, or update the app and retry. Sometimes a temporary sync issue blocks changes. If problems persist, contact Phonepe support with the saved screenshot and mandate details.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.